Hey everybody, welcome back to another Blender tutorial, and today we are going to be doing Boolean cuts in Blender. So let's get started. It's going to be a quick one, so let's go. We're going to select everything, delete it, add in a cylinder, rotate the X 90 degrees, maybe scale the Y, maybe we'll have a tube, and what if we want to add in a hole right there, or like bore in a hole for the pipe maybe. So we're gonna add in another cylinder, rotate it on X as well, GX, move it here, rotate it on the Z maybe 90. We're gonna go to the left view here and scale it down. We don't want it as big as the pipe, and then we're gonna go ahead and GX, move it along there. So that's where our hole is going to be. Then you're going to want to select this cylinder, go to the modifier tab, click Boolean under the modifiers, and then select the object that you want to cut into it. I'm going to select the other cylinder, and then you want to make sure it's on difference. As for mine, it already is. And then you want to go ahead and apply that, and then we can delete this right there, and voila. So there it is. You can tab it, and as you can see, it's a clean cut. But what if we want to go deeper? You can go ahead and undo that delete and undo the apply, and then let's just scale this on X value, maybe there, and then go ahead and go to the left again, scale it down. What if we wanted a smaller one? And then we can put it all the way through, and then go back to here, apply, delete it, and voila. So that's a quick and easy way to make Boolean cuts in Blender. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like this video down below, and I'll see you later.